Hollywood and fence pickets. Those are the hot words in the YouTube woodworking world right now. There's lots of creators making stuff out of them, and I'm here to jump on that bandwagon. I made this birdhouse from half of a fence picket and a little bit of scrap 2x4. Today, I'm going to show you how to do that. It's a great project to do with your children, and it's a great project to sell. You could probably get about $40 or $50 out of this one alone. So let's go and jump into it. So for this project, I'm going to use about half of this 6-inch wide by 8-foot